And that is how it is with care technology. New technology brings new ideas and better ways of doing things you couldn't do before. Pendants have done their bit, but are fallible in many ways. 50% don't like wearing them. The wearer has to call their own assistants, which is rather out of place in this day and age. We should care for them, not tell them, give us a call if you want help. And of course, little or no feedback on how things are. Only when things get dire, say with a fall. The stove may be red hot, the fridge left open, the front door open at night, the heating failed, but no one gets alerted to those important issues. And there is more. Suppose we were able to be alerted that things were not quite right with their health, issues that might end up with hospitalization if ignored. They say technology is the curse of activity, but here the boot is on the other foot. Technology can foretell potential frailty due to reduced activity. Technology can also deduce potential UTIs, irregular sleep patterns. That would be a pretty good call, and it would reduce those hospital admissions. Well, the good news is that there is a future beyond pendants. It's called MemoCare. Robust and site-tested for 2 years, MemoCare fits the bill with all those points. Check out and see how MemoCare can assist with the elderly, the disadvantaged, dementia-bound, in all aspects of independent care. Who needs faster horses? New ideas can lead to better outcome.